Hello, darling. Nice to see you. It's been a long time, just as lovely as you used to be. How's your new love? Or happy? Hope you're doing fine. Just to know it means so much to me. What's it, darling? How I'm doing? I'm doing alright, except I can't see. I cried all my tears long. What I'm trying to say is I love you and I miss you, and I'm sorry that I did you wrong. Look up, darling, let me kiss you, just for old time's sake. Let me hold you in my arms one more time. Thank you, darling. May God bless you, and each step you take can bring you closer